Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey, and today I'm going to show you 4 ways to spice things up on AIP. Number 1, wasabi. You cannot just buy any wasabi powder because a lot of them have mustard seed in it. This particular brand, Sushi Sonic, makes 2 kinds. One of them is not 100% wasabi and the other one is, so you have to be careful and buy the 100% genuine wasabi. The only ingredients in here are freeze-dried 100% wasabi, and it also has a gluten-free thing on it. Now, a lot of the Amazon reviews are like, oh, I tasted it, it tastes like chalk. Yeah, it has no flavor when it's dry. Try it. Try a little bit of the powder and you're like, no kick at all, nothing. I'm about to write a bad review on it. You mix it with a little bit of water, make a paste, wait 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, it's got that kick, it's got that fire. You know, dip your AIP sushi in it, or, you know, put a little bit of the paste on your fish or whatever you want to like spice up. But you know, you gotta blend it with a little water, make a paste, or some coconut aminos or something. But this will definitely bring some heat into your life. I bet it would be really good in a barbecue sauce. Put it in there after cooking, wait 10 minutes, spicy barbecue sauce. So there's a really easy way to add a little kick. Number 2, Ganthoda powder. What is Ganthoda powder? I've never heard of it on any AIP site, forum, book. I think I discovered something new. I'm like Stacey Columbus because I love to browse through ethnic stores, and I went to the Indian market recently and I took pictures of all the things I didn't know what they were. One of those things I didn't know what it was Ganthoda powder. And I googled every item that I didn't understand what the heck it was. And Ganthoda powder apparently is a rhizome, like think ginger. It's the root of the Indian long pepper. Not pepper nightshade related pepper. Pepper related to black pepper, the fruit-based spice. Indian long pepper is very similar to what we know as black pepper, and I've bought it and I've tried it and it's good. It tastes like black pepper to me. This is the root of the black pepper. So this is AIP compliant. It's a rhizome. And guess what? It tastes just like freaking black pepper. And it looks like white pepper. Woo! That's not pepper! It's even spicier than the wasabi, I think. Or maybe, well, it's definitely spicy dry. You don't have to make a paste out of this. My tongue is tingling right now. Fill up a pepper shaker with it and put it in all your recipes that call for pepper, and it does the same exact thing. It has the same exact flavor, and it is 100% AIP compliant rhizome of a tree. That's a freaking awesome one. Really proud of that, really proud of that find. Ganthoda powder. Number 3, horseradish. You can find this at like Whole Foods. This is a pretty normal, common ingredient. Horseradish root. This is a very neatly trimmed, nice, pretty horseradish root. They get ugly. I bought this at Whole Foods and it was all like trimmed nice. But it's a fresh horseradish root. And yes, you could simply grate this over your, your food and your sauce and your AIP mayonnaise. You could freeze it in cubes, which I do. I have a bag of frozen horseradish root that I threw in my recent barbecue sauce recipe. I'm gonna dehydrate this. I'm gonna dehydrate it so that I can add it to a spice rub or coat some fish with like a crispy dehydrated coating. This one is so nice and even. Usually they're knobbly. I got a good piece. Oh no, it's not a horseradish root. It's a parsnip. No wonder it was so perfect and even. Horseradish root's not that pretty. Someone put a parsnip in the horseradish bin. Oh my god. Alright guys, I picked up some actual horseradish. Next time I was at the grocery store, I should have known better. I've bought this a bunch of times. I should know the difference between horseradish and parsnip. This is what fresh horseradish looks like. Horseradish is always ugly. If it's not ugly, it's probably not horseradish. Number 4, galangal root. Now galangal is related to ginger. Galangal powder you can find online, and I'm gonna link below to that. When you dehydrate and grind galangal powder, it has like the flavor of that wasabi after you made it into a paste. It's like that dry, and it's kind of similar to the Ganthoda powder. Well, the Ganthoda is like black pepper. Just black pepper. This has a little bit of a citrus note to it. It adds heat. So you can actually use this in place of black pepper in most recipes. I'm going to show you how to make your galangal powder. So there you have it. That's how you heat things up on AIP. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe below. I post new videos every Thursday. And if you want to see more AIP inspiration, I post little clips from my everyday AIP adventures on Lens. There's a link below to that. Enjoy your spiced up life. I hope to see you soon. Until then, be healthy.